Hi. You're so Hi guys. So, I always do this. Every single fucking video I do this. Hi guys. I am doing a video on Anna Nicole today. Anna Nicole is one of my biggest inspirations. She was one of the first people who made me realize that you can be considered plus size by media standard, and still be beautiful. The hair is inspired by this photo. The makeup is inspired by this photo. So I really love Anna Nicole. I relate to her a lot. As we know, I struggle with mental health, and I just live for the glamour. Like, it's just over the top and I love it. I did forget to put in an earring. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, so this is my little earring. I put in this little dangly bitch. I am really satisfied with how this came out. I used to do my makeup like this all the time. I live for Anna. I remember crying when she passed away, and I was only like 12, 13, or 14. I can't remember. I was one of the two. I don't know, honestly. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, products are listed below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye! Okay, so we're starting with P. Louise base on the eyes, and I'm going in with Blue Blood from the Blue Blood palette. I went ahead and used the lightest color in the Blue Blood palette. I believe it's called Cullinan. This gave me that shimmery, frosty white color that Anna Nicole wore a lot. And then I used Deceased in the outer V area. And then I went ahead with Undertaker and smoked it out and made it more dramatic. So I'm really using that darkest shade to build up the depth in the outer corner and dragging it on my lid a little bit. What I wanted to do was take the light shimmery white color and kind of drag it over the entirety of the lid and the outer corner, to give it like a shimmery kind of overlay almost. And then I went ahead and used the Makeup Revolution crushed pearl pigment in Saint, which really, drove home that shimmery white lid. And I'm just putting that over top of Cullinan. And then, as you can see, blending that out over the rest of the eye. I'm cleaning up the under eye here, and I did go ahead and put a little bit of Blue Blood under my eye, just so that I can have a general idea of where it's going to go when I finish my entire face with the foundation, concealer, and all that. I'm also using the Jacque Mgido, I believe that's how you say it, my apologies, black eyeliner. I just went ahead and sharpened that, so it is lovely. Using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and then going over top of it with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, and I use that for foundation, white highlight, and contour today. I think I may need to make another order though soon, because I think I may be running out of that foundation, and it is my favorite. I've said it 1,000 times and I'll say it again. I love, love, love a white under eye highlight and have it being like as stark white as possible. And I don't really give myself sharp contours. It's more bronzing towards the perimeter of the face just to make the face look a bit slimmer. And I don't particularly know that there was much shaping of the face done on Anna Nicole. I think she was just naturally flawless. So after blending that all out, I'm going over it with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. I'm using the white, and then I'm using NW or NC15, I can't remember, just to add some added coverage and blend everything a bit more and bring it all down to my natural tone. And then I go over it with Coty Airspun to make sure that everything is dry and nothing is going to move on to my black clothing that I'm always wearing. After dusting that all off, I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and that's once again just on the perimeter of the face to smooth everything down, or not smooth everything down, to slim everything down. Yeah, so just using the butter bronzer all over, and then I went in with the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I used the color in the very bottom right, that kind of light pink. And then I used Jeffree Star's Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet over top for a nice glow. Now I'm just going over that blue that I had laid down earlier, and I'm blending it out with my finger. I did forget to film myself putting on lips, so I did put on Wifey from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the liquid lipstick and Wifey in the Supreme Gloss. So just please keep that in mind. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Renaissance eyeliner, but any eyeliner will do, anyone that you don't find bleeds on you. And then I'm blending a bit of the eyeliner out with the dark shadow because I didn't want it to be stark by any means. So just finishing blending that all out. I don't want it to be like super blended, but enough that it's not a stark wing or like a feather. The wings are clipped. Yeah, and I threw on some Lash Paradise, some lashes, and then the Wifey lipstick and gloss combo. I hope you all enjoy. I did my hair just up in a little twist and a waterfall fountain type effect. I hope you all really enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thanks, guys. Bye.